Master the phrasal verb, break in, with ease. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new lesson in English language learning. Today we're diving into the world of phrasal verbs, a key part of English grammar that can sometimes be tricky to master. Specifically, we'll be tackling the common phrasal verb, break in. So let's get started, shall we? Before we delve into break in, let's recap what phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb is a verb that's combined with an adverb or a preposition, creating a new meaning entirely different from the original verb. They're extensively used in everyday English conversation, hence understanding them can significantly boost your fluency and comprehension. Now, let's talk about our main topic, the phrasal verb, break in. This phrase can actually be used in a few different ways, depending on the context. 1. Break in can mean to enter a place or vehicle forcefully, often illegally. For example, the burglars broke in through the back door. 2. It can also be used to describe the process of wearing something new, especially shoes, until they're comfortable. For instance, I need to break in my new hiking boots before our trip. 3. Another usage of break in is to interrupt someone when they're speaking. For instance, I hate to break in, but I have some relevant information. Now that we've learned the different meanings of break in, it's time to practice. Try to construct sentences using break in different contexts. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap for our lesson on the phrasal verb, break in. We hope that you found this video helpful and now feel more confident using break in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and remember that mastering English is a journey that involves continuous learning. Stay tuned for more lessons on phrasal verbs. Until then, happy learning, and see you in our next video.